This is Cynthia with Focal Point Signs and Imaging located in Costa Mesa, California, and serving all of Orange County. Recently, we had the privilege to wrap a rather large trailer for a major tire company, Continental Tires, and we were selected for this job specifically because we run the HPL 26500 large format latex printer, which was designed to work with these high performance 3M vinyls. We're using actually a 3M 180 CV3 with a matching UV protected high performance laminate in a gloss finish. This trailer is important because it's an event trailer that's going to be used across the country and taken specifically to one of the largest conventions in the country, and that is SEMA in Las Vegas. We were thrilled to be selected for the job. The balance of this video just shows you what the installation looked like. So thank you to 3M, Continental Tires, and Team Arkan for allowing Focal Point Signs and Imaging the opportunity to do this project. Enjoy.